Hey, my name is Zach. I am an operations manager. I rate Whip Around a 5 out of 5. And for more reviews like this, please click below. We use Whip Around to manage our trucks and the truck maintenance. It allows our guys daily to do a pre trip checklist to ensure that we have all the necessary tools for our day, and as well as a post trip checklist to ensure the truck is where it needs to be for the next day. And we also use it to schedule our oil changes and make sure our timing is right on that. Our work environment, we typically are a junk removal company. We do a little moving, but it's used to manage our trucks and their daily maintenance. I really like how Whip Around notifies you for simple oil changes or other work schedules that you have. It also notifies you when technicians complete the pre-trip check around, and you can easily get in there and make sure everything went off as planned. I do not enjoy how easy it is to delete trucks. In our case, on Whip Around, I have mistakenly deleted a truck a time or two and did not realize until later on when it was too late for the oil change.